Hi guys, in this tutorial also I want to show you again how to search keywords, how to search the best keywords you want to use it because you are looking for in the right audience that come to your website. The audience is very important guys. The audience is very important because you want to get the right peoples, right? You want to target your product in the right place, so in the right countries. Those people, they are looking for this product, right? So you are targeting in that. So you're using SEO. So in SEO there's a and keywords and descriptions and the titles and then tags. This is the very important things you when you're using. So how to find the right keywords? You see here there's so many keywords. Then let's go together and then to find the right keywords. So when you're using the right keywords, and then your website is going to be on the, just flowing on the internet because you are always using the right keywords, right descriptions, right tags. This is a very important, guys. This is a video for SEO. When you have a website and your website is not ranking on the top, why people not come to visit your website? Why always you posting videos and no one can see? Because you are not using the right keyword, you are not using the right titles, because you're thinking those titles or those keywords is right, but people, they are not looking at exactly what you are writing, because people looking something else, right? So let's go to find the right keywords. So you want to use like a digital marketing, you want to find digital marketing product, right? And then you have digital marketing products, and then you want to post your digital marketing video or your digital marketing product. You want to post on the Facebook or on the Google. You want to rank on the top of a search engine, right? You want to, your website will be on the first when the people come to here, like said DK, okay, digital, okay, digital. So when they, there's in digital so many things, right? In digital AI or in digital marketing, okay, marketing, okay. When they come to write like this, your website on be on the top here, right? So this is the very important things, meaning you are ranking your website on the top of your video. It will be when the people come onto YouTube and then they will, searching on the Google, so they will find your video on the top because you are using the right keywords. Because of that, the people are using like this. Okay, let's go to click. Wow, you look how this keywords very strong, very strong. And you are going also to using the tags, and then to using like this kind of titles, and then you using this kind of keywords. Because, and even also there's a, guys, I want to show you there's a related keywords. Look here, you see so many, they are like exactly what you are writing. You see these people always, what is the digital marketing, and then digital marketing core, digital marketing career, digital marketing tutorial for beginners, so on. This all people, you see how many people they are looking in the per month. So many, you see search, okay, search on the volume, so many people. And also competitions, you see people all, you see some, they're a little bit higher, but because you see the higher, meaning they are not looking people more, but it is also find difficult to find because it is not easy to target. Otherwise guys, using the medium or low competition, this is the best things because people come to your website. Low competition, it is meaning the best. And overall, so these people, they are looking, you see. And yeah, in this case, you are going to make your website will be on the top of search engine. So always guys, using these things, and then you are going to uh, to rank your website on the top of other, like a million of websites, because YouTube and then Google, they understand it. Because when you're using like these keywords, so many people they looking, right? 1 million, look how many people, 1,300,000, you see, per month. This is the keyword so strong because you are going to target the right keyword into your website or in your product. This is a very important, guys. So always, guys, try to find the right keywords. Don't use, so look, guys, like we go to find something else. You see here in the SEO 249. Then okay, let's go to digital marketing course. Okay, all around the world. So guys, even also, this is just I wrote. Okay, I just, just wrote. I think this is also people they're looking. So look, in this also there's people looking, and also still this keywords is good. We have a medium here and also medium. And then, guys, so many people, some keywords, it is so difficult to find. So because in that, guys, always go to try to find the right keywords and then to use it, and then your website will be going to ranking on the top. Okay, so this one I want to share you. Look, guys, like this keyword, it is so difficult to use it because it is very higher, and then also it's very difficult competition you see here. And even you understanding now what does meaning is the SEO, right? And then keyword searching, right? So this is the meaning. You don't use it like these keywords, because these keywords, it is so difficult to find like this one, right? So difficult to target. uh, okay, and yeah, this is the course. And then, guys, I want to show you so many things over here and in my next tutorial. So see you in my next tutorial, guys.